Welcome to Beautiful Savings. I'm Bobby Joe. And do you love saving money as much as I do? Well, you have come to the right place, my friend. Stick around here because I will be doing unboxing videos, subscriptions videos, and also Dollar Tree hauls in Five Below, and also great, cheap, fun ways to decorate your house. I've got a lot of great ideas for you guys. So make sure you hit that bell notification so you know when I upload a video. My videos will be uploaded every Saturday at noon Eastern Standard Time. And also make sure you hit that subscribe button and share all of my videos with your friends because they're going to want to save just as much as you do. You can also follow me over on Instagram at Beautiful Savings and on Facebook at Beautiful Savings. So make sure you go check it out and subscribe to those channels as well. And welcome to Beautiful Savings. I hope you have a beautiful day.